Did you know one simple treatment can transform dry, dull hair into soft, shining, and healthy strands? Let me show you guys how I use my daughter's infusing oil for perfect hot oil treatment at home. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it, and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Now let's begin the video. Well, guys, I have my oil already, which I infused for my daughter. If you are interested, want to see how I infuse that oil, please you can visit Princess Hair Care channel in YouTube. You will see the full video over there and learn how to infuse your own oil. So guys, when they are saying hot oil treatment, some people are understanding the hot oil treatment in by mistake, or I don't know how they are understanding it. Hot oil treatment does not mean that you have to boil the water oil, sorry, you have to boil the oil before you apply it into your hair, but you can only make it as a room temperature to make it warm small, and that warm you can do it maybe in the microwave 15 seconds or 10 seconds, okay? Or if not, the best way me I'm doing is the hot water. I'll boil the hot water. After boiling the water, I'll place the oil into the hot water, leave it inside for the hot water to get the oil get heat. So that's one is okay, I can use for myself and I can use it for my daughter. So now for me to start the hot oil to make the treatment to my daughter, first of all, always make sure to do what? To hydrate your hair. That's the main key, because everything, before you do everything, you have to be get ready. You have to let the thing know that the hair be ready, know that yes, you are coming to do something to me, so the hair have to be ready for it. So first, hydrate your hair. You have to hydrate your hair. How are you going to hydrate it? Maybe you may see me holding some spray, spraying it into my daughter hair. That one also, I use clove, hibiscus, and other herbs to infuse this one. That one also, I have it in my channel. If you want to see how I infuse it, you can check Princess Hair Care in YouTube channel to watch it over there. Well, and if you know how to infuse, why not infuse your thing and do the right thing? And if you say you don't have that time, you cannot do anything to stand to infuse all those things, then what about water? You have water, right? Fetch water. If you don't have spray bottle, get like a water bottle. The lid, you can make some small hole on the lid. If you cannot afford to get the spray bottle, or if you cannot find it, because I brought my, sometimes I can buy it in Shein, sometimes I buy it in Timo, so I don't know. And the last one also, I brought it from Takey. When I went to Takey, I brought my, so maybe in the local market also, maybe you may get or you may not get, well, where the place that they are selling plastic things, I think that place also you can check. Like if you are in Africa, I mean, you can check those places and see if they have it. You can gap your own spray bottle over there, or if you cannot find it, then just get water bottle, pour it inside the water bottle and make a hole in small hole in the lid, so that you can be using it to be applying into your hair. Okay, yes. So now I'm hydrating my daughter hair. That is how I'm going to do the full hair. I'm hydrating the hair first before apply the oil. Always hydrate your hair. Don't use the oil into your scalp or into your hair while your hair is dry. So guys, while you are spraying it inside, not only to spray and go, you have to be spraying and at the same time you massaging your scalp, but always start from the scalp to the tip, because we all know that hair is growing from the scalp, not from the tip. The only thing is growing from the tip is how you can do to maintain your length, the length that you are growing. That's the maintaining of the length. That is the only thing you can see, but the hair growth is coming from the scalp. So always try to begin massaging from your scalp while you are going to do every treatment to your hair. So now my daughter hair, I'm just seeing my daughter hair now is amazing for me, because like I'm not going to say anything, but I'm doing this hair growth challenge. It will show on December. If God grace, I'll show you guys how my daughter hair was looking. And 2025, when we started doing this challenge, you guys will finally tell me how her hair, whether there's a changes or there's no changes. You guys will see everything by the God grace in December, actually, because I have the pictures or the video of the where how we started. So I will compare the both 2024 and 2025 so that you guys will see. So right now I started putting the oil after hydrate the hair and finish. I'm now adding the oil inside and massaging her scalp. So you always have to be gentle to the children, because sometimes children, they don't have patience, and we the mothers also don't have patience like that, because sometimes my daughter can be sitting down there, Princess can be sitting down without doing anything, with just minding her own business, watching things, and I'm doing whatever that I want to do to her hair. But sometimes also this girl, she will not allow me put my hand into her hair. You will see that she will start shaking. I have so many videos about where she just be shaking her hair, turning it up and down, saying no, don't put your hand inside. So I always have problem with her sometimes, but sometimes also she's making it easier for me. So guys, so now you can see how I'm doing. This is the way that you need to be doing if you are looking for a way to grow your hair. These steps for your wash day, you don't need to miss all these steps, because first, while you are going to open your hair, make sure you open it with people, or don't open your hair while your hair is dry. Don't comb your hair while your hair is dry. Don't do any treatment while your hair is dry. I mean, hot oil treatment like this, don't do it while your hair is dry, because you need the help, you need the oil to penetrate, you need the scalp to get what the blood flows to open. So you have to hydrate it. Everything that you are doing, about your skin things, always try to hydrate it before you apply whatever that you are going to apply to. Okay, don't do it in the dry scalp, dry hair, or dry face mask. No, always hydrate it before you use it. Okay, so now you guys can see how I'm applying it into my daughter hair. The last time someone was comment and say, oh, the oil is not too much. Yes, it's not too much, and the same time it's too much. Because why am I saying that? As an adult, if you are an adult person and you are doing it, this thing, because you know that there is something inside your hair, right? So you always have control on whatever that is inside your hair. By the children, they don't have control. You can do it even by the time you finish, especially my daughter. Sometimes she can sleep, and sometimes also she will try to, especially when that rubber bag if it is deceiving her, she will try to remove that rubber bag out from her hair. And that time, the oil, you will see the oil will started dropping down, and you have to be careful while you put it to your children, your child, especially 2 years children. When you are doing the hot oil treatment, you always have to be careful with their hair. So now my daughter, she's 2 years 2 months now. Okay, that's my 2 years 2 months old child. So her hair also is not bad, it's good, it's growing, and I'm so happy for the product that I'm doing, and I'm thanking her all the time, because she also helped me to be growing her hair. She's not, now that she even started doing shaking her hair. And first, before I started it, she was just sitting. She doesn't know anything. I will finish everything. After, I will pack her in my bag. She will sleep. She will wake up before I go and wash it. By now, because of she's growing now, everything is changing gradually. She started shaking the hair. That I don't know how I'm going to solve that problem. So now you can see I'm still massaging the scalp. I'm putting the oil into her scalp. This girl also, when I'm doing her hair, she can send me, she can send me so many places that she will ask for things that I will not allow in the normal basis, and I will not allow her to eat. Those things that this girl will tell me that she wants to eat, and she know that where she's sitting, definitely I will give her whether I like it or not. by force by fire. I have to give her because I want her to stay there for me to do my work. That is what she also doing to me these days when I started it. If not, if she tired, she'll tell me that she want to go to pee pee, she want to release herself. When you just remove her, she started playing up and down. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you find this video useful for yourself also and your children, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe, like and share for me this hot oil treatment. How are you doing it after making it this way? Always try to cover your hair and sit at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. If only you have time, can wait for 1 hour, let it stay in your hair for 1 hour before you go and wash. While you are washing, you can wash it with a warm water or cold water. Wash it out. When you wash it and you feel like there is oil inside, normally when I do my hot oil treatment, I don't put shampoo into my daughter hair again. So what I'm doing, I'm using my deep treatment, the deep treatment that I have deep condition. So after washing her hair, I'm using the deep condition into her hair because like I need the nutrients to remain into her hair. So if there is too much oil, I feel like, oh, the oil is still too much, then I'm using those treatment deep condition to put inside before raise it again and come and bring her outside. Okay, so that is what we are doing. This thing is helping your hair to get more strong. It's helping you to be getting flat hair. When you see my daughter hair first beginning, you will not believe the hair was very thinning, but now I can see that gradually everything is changing. Her hair texture is changing, is growing thicker now. I can see the changes now from my point of view. I'm seeing the changes. So please do it with yourself and make it for your children and let me know how it go. This hot oil treatment, you can do it every week, once in a week. You can do it when you have protective style, whether you have cornrow, you have mini braids, we have three braids, whatever that is inside your hair, you can do it inside. And if you have time, try to be doing it at least once in a week, because anytime my daughter I make her hair, I always do those things between her hair before I even open her hair again. Okay, I always do the hot oil treatment. I'm making hair mask inside while she have braids into her mini braids. Okay, but if you add braids into your hair, don't use hair mask or those things into your hair. Otherwise, when you are about to open it, that's the time that you will feel consequence. But if it is your natural hair alone, then you are good to use these things. Okay, so that's it. We have come to the end. It will make her scalp get more helpful. The scalp is going to be helpful, the hair is going to be growing faster, and also she's going to be getting flat hair. And this hot oil treatment also will help the hair because she having low prostate hair, so it will help the hair or the scalp to penetrate very well into it. Everything will penetrate very well to her scalp. So after this, also tomorrow we have to do hair mask. So please come back tomorrow and watch the next video that will be coming after this video. The next video is going to be the hair mask, so you can come back and watch that video also. Okay, thank you very much for supporting us. Thank you very much for being with us, and thank you very much for everything. I really appreciate you people. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate all of you. Our main channel, by the grace of Almighty Allah, we get our main channel back. Okay guys, we get it back. So if you want that my main channel also, you can check us that place. The name is Queen Padede, so you can check us the main channel also. Okay, bye bye. Princess is saying bye bye. Sometimes I'll be saying princess say bye bye, she'll be busy watching something. See what she's doing. Bye bye guys. She's saying mwah, mwah, mwah. She's sending you guys kiss and saying like it and share. They should share for us. Do you love them? Show them love. You have to show them love. Okay, that's good. That's my daughter, that's my girl. You see guys, she's showing you guys love. Okay, so please, you guys should support us to grow this channel together. We love you people. Bye bye.